Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cool viral Instagram Reels effects, the screen transfer effects using CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, just record yourself with the front camera as if you are reaching out to grab a phone like this. Then take a photo of your phone with a green screen on the display like this, or you can also just download a similar green screen phone image from the internet. Next, just open your CapCut and then import both the videos and the photo, and then just tap on the photo and then go to remove background, this one, and then choose chroma key and then color picker, and then place it on green area and adjust the intensity so it will become a transparent frames like this. Now make the phone photo and overlay and position it over your video. Just tap on it and then go to overlay and position it like this. And to make the effects where your hand reaches out and grabs the phone out of the frame, just duplicate your video. Duplicate it. And then go to remove background. And then choose custom removal and use the brush tool to keep only your hand like this. Like this. And then make this hand clip and overlay and align it on top of everything. Like this. And then for the frame transfer effect, add keyframes right when your hand grabs the phone. Like this. On the phone clips, just add keyframes. Then as you pull the phone with you, just zoom in on the frame so it gradually disappears and reveals only your video underneath like this. And here's the result. Like this. Okay, maybe that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!